With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's start the question. Amongst the following, which is not a postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? Not a postulate, yes. So we are going to analyze each statement, but before we analyze each statement, let us first of all have a look into as to what is the Dalton's atomic theory. Yes. So if you remember, this Dalton's atomic theory has been with us since our school years. Yes. So let us list out the postulates of the Dalton's atomic theory given by Sir John Dalton. This was the very first atomic theory which came into existence, or otherwise I would say which came in front of all the scientists. Yes. So this was the very first part of the research which was presented by one of the scientists, that is Sir John Dalton. Now the very first postulate says that all matter consists of indivisible particles called atoms. Indivisible particles called as atoms. Yes. Number one postulate is this. Now what about number two postulate? Number two postulate says that atoms of the same element are similar in shape and mass, but differ from the atoms of other elements. Okay, fine. Now the next postulate is atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Then next is atoms of different elements may combine with each other let me just write this A properly. In a fixed simple whole number ratios to form compound atoms. Yes. Now the next one is wherein atoms of same element can combine than one ratio to form two or more compounds. Yes. And there is one more postulate which was there, and the sixth one was wherein atom is the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. Yes, okay. Now, done with this all postulates, let us analyze our given options. Okay. So indivisible particles called atoms. Atoms of the same element are similar in shape and mass. They can neither be created nor destroyed. Yes. Atoms of different elements combine with each other in a fixed simple whole number ratio to form a compound. Same element atoms can combine than one ratio, means more than one ratio, to form two or more compounds. Yes. So like hydrogen and oxygen can combine to give us water also. Yes. As well as hydrogen peroxide also. So this is a different ratio. Yeah. And it has formed two different compounds. An atom is the smallest unit which will be taking part in a chemical reaction. Now done with this, let us analyze the options. Yes. Matter is formed of indivisible atoms. Absolutely right, isn't it? It is formed of indivisible atoms. The only thing is that the postulate was indivisible particles called atoms, and here we have directly posted indivisible atoms. Yeah. But since the answer to our question would be a non-postulate, definitely this doesn't match our criteria. The second option says that under identical conditions of pressure and temperature, gases combine and give gaseous products in simple volume ratio. Now, such a complex postulate is not a part of the Dalton's atomic theory. Actually, this comes under one of the gas laws. Yeah. So then this is a non-postulate. Absolutely true. Okay. So option 2 is already in our answer line. Let us check out for the other options. During chemical reactions, atoms remains conserved and only pass through rearrangement. Absolutely true, isn't it? They can neither be created nor destroyed. Yeah. So whenever they take part in a chemical reaction, they remain conserved. I mean, if there are 2 moles or otherwise, 2 atoms of say oxygen on the left hand side, it will be reflecting in the right hand side also. The only thing is that the ratio in which it will be combining to form a product would be different. For example, if I'm having hydrogen and oxygen. So 2 parts of hydrogen combines with 1 part of oxygen to give me 2 parts of water. Isn't it? Yes. So now over here, if you can see well, we have 4 hydrogens over here. 4 hydrogens over here also. But look at the state. Here it was in a molecular state, whereas here it is in a compound state. Similarly, for oxygen, it was in a diatomic state over here, whereas over here 2 is there with oxygen. No doubt there are 2 oxygen atoms, but over here it is in a ratio form. Yeah. So it has undergone a rearrangement, but the number of atoms are conserved. So our third statement is also in sync with the Dalton's atomic theory. Yes. And same atoms have same properties, including atomic mass. Very true. Atoms of the same element will be similar in shape and in mass. Yeah. So this is also a postulate. Hence, we have only one option which is a non-postulate or which is not a postulate of Dalton's atomic theory, and that is option number 2. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.